degrees. West Mifflin mostly sunny 89. Winds gusting to 24. Beaver Falls mostly sunny 85. Newcastle 77. Latrobe mostly sunny 90. Winds gusting to 28. Washington 87. And Indiana 90. In central Pennsylvania, Altoona partly sunny 90. Winds gusting to 21. State College mostly sunny 84. And Johnstown mostly sunny 83. In West Virginia, Morgantown mostly sunny 93 degrees. Wheeling mostly sunny 86. Parkersburg. Central Pennsylvania, southeastern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, until 6 p.m. At 5:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Bethlehem, or 7 miles east of Reimersburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Punxsutawney, Brookville, Reimersburg, Reynoldsville, New Bethlehem, Sickesville, Falls Creek, Sligo, Big Run, Dayton, Somerville, and Rossiter. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather Bulletin.